एक लड़की जिसने गोली खाकर भी हार नहीं मानी. Soft background music plays, the sound of children laughing, birds chirping, and a school bell ringing. Narrator, bet choti si ladki, ek chota sa sapna, or ek dunia jo us rokna chati thi. A little girl, a small dream, and a world that wanted to stop her. Sound of pages turning, children reciting lessons. Ek simple ladki, jo so surf ek cheese chati thi, pai ka hak. Swat Valley ki ek khubsurat sheher mein, waha rose school jati thi, nae sapne dekhti thi. Sound of a crowd, distant radio voice announcing Ban's rule. Lekin ek din sab kuch badal gaya. Taliban ne kaha, ladkiyan school nahi ja sakti. Books ban kar di gaye, school jala diye gaye. Par Malala ni himmat nahi hari. Sound of pen scratching on paper. A young girl's determined voice reading aloud. Malala, Agar dunia mujhe rokegi, tu main or zor se bolungi. If the world stops me, I will speak even louder. Sound of a bus moving, Agar. Lekin 9 October 2012. Us din ka andera kabhi nahi bol sakte. Malala apni friends ke sath school bus mein thi. Sound of tires screeching. Ek aadmi bus mein chad gaya. Uski awaz dandi thi, magar uske shabdag ki tara. Gunman's distorted voice echoes, "Who is Malala?" Gunshot. Ek goli aur sab kuch badal gaya. Dunia ne socha ab sab khatam ho gaya. Pramala bikiya. Sound of a heartbeat, slow and steady, then hospital monitor beeping. Malala ni maut ko hara diya. Usne sirf jina nahi sikha. Dunia of applause, speech at the UN. One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Music rises, voices of girls chanting, "We want education, we want education." Inspiring, powerful ki ek sapna. Aur aaj puri duniya uske saath hai. Malala sirf ek naam nahi ek revolution hai. Sound fades out with children's laughter, a school bell ringing again.